Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the common question that I've been getting in my videos. I'm going to be answering that question. So let's get straight with that part. And before we go good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to my channel. So whenever I'm going to be posting it, you will be get notified about it. And also guys, I have the bunch of the free stuffs, the free graphics, KDP interiors and patterns which you can download and you can use it for making your own print on demand designs or KDP interior, having the full commercial license. So make sure to check it out. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com and check over to the freebie section and download all the freebies that we have, and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding more. Now let's talk about that question and what is that answer of that question. Now that question is, should you need to have a cover banner that is related to your shop, like the branding of the shop? So I'm going to be answering that question especially for the print on demand. So this question I got especially for the Jazzle, but I think it's applicable to all the print on demand shops and all the print on demand platform. What type of cover avatar or banner image do we need to upload on our print on demand shop? Can we use Google image? Can we use any image from the Google, from the Pixabay or from the Unsplash, or do we need to custom make that cover avatar and cover image? So that's the question. Now I'm going to be answering this question. You really need to think about it. Like when someone will going to land on your shop, they're going to see your cover avatar, your cover image and banner very first, and then they're going to scroll down and see your designs and your products. So what do you want for your shop? Like, do you want your shop to be a general local shop? Like anything is there, like random designs are there, cover banner is from some Google or for something like that? Or do you want a branding? Like ask yourself, what are you expecting from your print on demand shop? Now this is a very basic question. Like if you're going for the branding of the shop, then obviously you need to make a custom banner image and a custom avatar. You can't get any random picture from the Google and just put it on your banner image or all. This question lies into two important factors. One is that do you want the branding for your shop, or do you want your shop to be like that only? Like what's your purpose behind your print on demand shop? Like your purpose behind the print on demand shop just to make money. You don't want the branding stuff. You don't want to make it as a business. This is a side hustle, just as a hobby and just doing it for the fun. Like what's your point? What's your point of starting with your print on demand shop? Because if you are starting a print on demand shop just for the sake of money, just for side hustle or hobby and fun, then obviously do whatever you want to do with your shop. But if you're starting with your print on demand shop to make a serious amount of money and also to make a brand shop and a business around that shop, then obviously you need to know what you need to do. So it depends on your intention about your shop. Like if you just wanna to make money, have some sort of a hobby and a fun, you just want the print on demand shop like to be that only, then obviously you can download any Google picture, any Pixabay, any Unsplash pictures from these websites and just put it like that as a cover banner or an avatar or something like that. But if you wanna have a branded shop related to any specific niche, category, or a collection, like related to any specific theme, if you want to have a branded shop, then obviously you need to make your own custom image, have your proper logo as a cover avatar, have a proper branding of your shop, what the name it is, what people can expect from your shop. So it's related to your intention. Like what's your intention behind your print on demand shop? Now I can't answer that question for you. You need to know about what's your intention. Like do you want to decide what you need to do? Because if you want to make a serious amount of money, if you want to make a business out of it, or even want to have a branded shop, then obviously you need to have a branded cover avatar and branded cover image. You can't upload any random picture from the Google and just be like that. No, you need to have a custom made your own cover banner and image related to your brand, related to your speed, related to your niche or category, or even related to your theme. So that is just a simple answer guys. Like you need to ask yourself what's your intention. Like you're just opening up a shop randomly to have random designs here and there, maybe hoping for someone to buy from your shop, maybe hoping to get the sales, then do whatever you want to do with it. But if you are serious with this print on demand business and you're not taking it as a hobby, you are really serious with that, then you really need to have custom made cover avatar and custom made cover image and cover banner. Now, wait for here a second, guys. Now, you will be thinking, I have started with the shop, but I don't know what is my theme, what is my logo, what's my shop is all about. I don't know about it. So, what cover, banner, or image should I need to upload? Like, if you are new to the print-on-demand platform and you really don't know that, just be patient with yourself. Upload few designs and see what kind of designs you're uploading, and then decide your cover banner or cover avatar according to it. Okay, take your time, do your research, and look what type of shop you want to get started with that, and upload that kind of theme or topic related to your cover banner or cover avatar. Because one thing is, guys, that people can buy products from any other shop. Like, there is so much competition currently there on the print-on-demand platform. People can buy from any other shop. Like, if they land on your shop and they see that your shop is not what they're expecting to be, then they can just go out of it and go to other shop and buy from them. So you don't want to lose the customer. So obviously you need to give a special experience or a good experience to the customer who are landing on your shop. So that is really important. So that's why there is a role of having a customized cover image, customized cover banner, and avatar comes into the play. That's really the importance. But it all depends on your intention. If you people like what other artists are uploading the cover banner or image in their shop, take a research, do a research and see what they are uploading, and then decide what you need to upload for your shop. If you are brand new, then you don't know your theme, your topic, you don't know, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Just do a research, see what you are uploading on your shop, or what type of cover, banner, image, or avatar you can go for that. So this is my answer to the question. I hope I have answered it. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you have any more questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to answer for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.